Welcome to the shop. I'm Carly, and I'm in the Aerospace Structure Technician program. Wondering what that is? Come on, I'll give you a sneak peek. In this program, you learn the technical skills of repairing aircrafts using sheet metal and composite materials. We take these materials and make pieces that are needed for the aircraft to fly safely. Pretty much, if you can see a problem, we can build a solution and fix it. We are taught how to inspect the structure of an aircraft and how to make sure that repairs were assembled correctly. We also learn the different functions of different tools such as brakes, shears, and rivet guns. So if you are interested in an aviation career path that teaches you to create pieces to make sure these incredible machines are structurally sound, let Tulsa Tech help you make your own path.